For the wheel clearance measurement, the 15mm wheel spacers are the perfect thickness for the new BMW M4 to make the wheels flush with the fender. By creating the offsets, the BMW M4 gets a more aggressive look.
Its BMW M4 wheel spacers are made of aluminum installed between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to increase the distance between the hub assembly and the wheels. BONOSS provides extremely light BMW M4 wheel spacers that precisely machined with few hollow holes. The hollow-out design of BONOSS forged lateral pass wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them correctly, the wheel spacers are very safe. The correct installation is quite important. Begin by simply lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub. Use wheel hanger that can easily reattach the wheels. And then tighten the extended wheel bolts to the wheels. The wheel bolts of BONOSS forged BMW wheel spacers are made of forged SCM440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistance, structure stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. The forged extended wheel bolts of BONOSS BMW spacers have achieved the ISO standard grade 12.9, which have higher strength than stock one. With these
BMW M4
wheel spacers, there is nothing that physically stops the sizes of the multiplication. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS BMW M4 wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.